An unborn baby named Aurora who didn't survive after being cut from her mother's womb is the focus of a trial going on in Boulder right now, yet lawyers are being told they can't talk about her death.
The judge saying her mother is the victim of this crime. It's the second day in the trial against her attacker. And Denver 7's Kristen Skovira has been following this case closely. Kristen, today we heard from doctors who saw both women after this attack.
Yeah, both women ended up at the same hospital, and doctors say they had no idea initially that the two cases were linked. Dr. Kevin Berg was the first one to take the stand, describing the injuries Michelle Wilkins suffered.
She had a large laceration that went across the lower part of the abdomen.
Berg says Wilkins was in surgery for about 5 hours. She remained at Longmont United Hospital for 5 days.
I would say she lost more than half of her blood volume.
At first, hospital workers say they had no idea what they were dealing with. They thought both women and both cases were unrelated emergencies. Dr. Brian Nelson is an OB/GYN. He says a nurse first introduced him to Dynel Lane and her husband.
She kind of gave me a quick story that Dynel apparently had delivered preterm baby at home, and apparently they had already pronounced the baby dead. When I arrived, Dynel and another man were sitting in chairs sort of facing the back wall, and the man was holding the baby weeping.
It was only later the doctors determined Lane had never been pregnant. And shortly thereafter, Dr. Nelson says Michelle Wilkins was admitted to the ER.
And as I was walking out of the ER, I heard overhead that there was a trauma arriving in 10 minutes.
A detective with the Longmont Police Department also took the stand. He talked about the evidence that was found inside Lane's home after a search warrant was filed. Ann?